Hundreds of people are here sleeping on this parade ground, having bath and doing all sorts of things. Therefore we decided to have a drive. I hope these people who are here will not come back again. N number of times these people have been shifted from here, but again after 2 days they come. I appeal to the government, to the social welfare department, that all such people who are there, that they should give them some shelter. They are also human beings. Their children are young. They are going to school. Here the corporation and the mayor and the deputy mayor and the corporators can't do anything. We have got limited powers. We are king within our radius. So at least I appeal to the coming government that such people, government should do something. They are saying Swachh Bharat, this scheme, that scheme, everything on paper, nothing is happening. Even in CCP, they remove all photographs, write letters, send to Delhi, and then we get the award. I am against all these awards. Action has to be on the ground. Because Panjimites are voting for us, because they want a clean environment. They don't want people selling here drugs and urinating and shitting in the same place. I am told that some children are also going to school. Here the government should step in. We have got limited powers. Government has got wide powers. So to the media, I am appealing to the government, wherever such things, whether it is in Panjim, Apsa, Margao, Vasco, anywhere, a rehabilitation scheme should be there for them. This drive will continue every fortnight. Now you have seen one lady, she tried to put kerosene on her body. She is trying to make us frightened. How long this will continue? Can our Goans go in India state and do all this tamasha? They are selling, you see the state, they don't have baths for days together. They are selling the same balloons and toys on the beach. And our parents are buying those toys and balloons for their small children. It is advisable not to buy because these people are having all type of diseases. I am sorry to say that I should not be saying this open in the media. But this is the fact. Where is Amche Marathi Manus? Same thing in Goa. Where is our Konkani Manus? In 10 years there will be no Goans left. Half of the Goans are gone abroad. You see all these non-Goans. I am not against non-Goans. But our identity has to be safeguarded.